Okay, next we are going to clean up the data set now. So as you mentioned just now, okay, there are some gene ID which basically doesn't match with the probe set. So, and this, okay, this actually of useless to our analysis because as I said before, the connectivity map, they only recognize the, the what you call it, yeah, the gene symbol. Okay, so what I'm going to do is actually going to remove uh, the entry for these genes. So, and how are you going to remove it? What you can do is you can go to filter here. Okay, so you can pull down menu here, and then you can actually um, filter out the NA. Where is the NA? No, it doesn't appear any. Anyway, so now if you want to do is you can, okay, you can just filter it out. Okay, so now you have basically looking at the list of all those entry which the probe set which doesn't match the gene. So what I'm going to do now is basically I can then just delete all this. Okay, so now that you have each of the rows with all the probe set match to the gene ID. Okay, except for some of it, this is 0. I think I can remove that also. Okay, okay, this is what we've done so far. And also for the subtype, you can see that, okay, now it's a little bit haphazard because all the subtype is matched to the ID. It doesn't sort in a group by group basis. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually sort it. Okay. So like the normal sort function you can use. Now there is a special button here, which is basically the options here. So normally when we do the sorting, we sort it based on the column from the top to the bottom or from the bottom to the top. So now I actually want to sort it across the row. So you can here, you see here. So sort top to bottom, that is the default. But now I want to sort it from left to right. So, okay, sort by row 1, okay, smallest to the largest. So now that you can see now, so it is all, this is all subtype 1, 2, okay, 3, and 4. Okay, all right. So now you can save this. Uh, okay, you can save this data set. Okay, so now you are ready to go to do your analysis part.